let's get jiggy with it. What's going on, guys? I don't even know why I said that. I do apologize. I think it's because I took a loss today, but not as big as I thought I would. This was actually kind of unfortunate because I was down on the day, right? I made a video earlier today showing my open short position on Tesla. It was when Tesla was a little bit more on the overbought side. I was down about, what was it, like $3,000 or $4,000, right? I wanted to show you a trade that wasn't going according to plan. I was shorting Tesla because I thought that it was very overbought based off of this recent push, and based off of recent patterns, it's been more bearish than it has been bullish. We'll see if this thing sells off tomorrow. Maybe I can re-enter a short if we get the rejection at the EMA. If it breaks above the EMA, then obviously no reason to short it. It could continue to run up and then get rejected at the moving average. But overall, I saw potential. I broke it down. I wanted to share it with you guys, not just, again, when it was going according to plan, but when it wasn't. I wanted you guys to see both sides, just like my LPP team gets to see both my good trades and my bad trades. My trade actually wasn't going that bad. I was up a few $1,000s because it actually sold off a bit. I took profits, I re-entered, it sold off a little bit, I took profits, I then re-entered thinking that it was going to form lower lows, lower highs, and then reversed back up and then had to cut losses. Overall, I lost $60 on the day. Now, again, this is pretty much a break-even day for me. I trade with a decent amount of money, so anytime that I lose either a few $100 or I make a few $100, it is nearly a break-even day just because of the dollar amount that I trade with. I still expect that if it does sell off, I can make $20,000 to $25,000 depending on my position size. But I wanted to show you, again, my day, my good days, my bad days. As of right now, it's pretty much a break-even day, so nothing fancy there. As you can see, I didn't take a position on TQs. I didn't take a position on SQs. This was the only focus that I had today. My trade just didn't pan out as I wanted to. It's okay, right? I didn't take profits necessarily where I should have. I probably should have stopped trading it because there was no progress, but it is what it is. Break-even day. Wanted to show you that at least I wasn't down to $3,000 or $4,000, so at least I minimized the exposure of loss that I had. That's a positive takeaway. We'll see how the market ends up doing. It looks like we had a really strong rally towards the last hour for power hour. The NASDAQ market is still testing previous resistance, and do you see this thing beginning to curl over? I'm just giving you guys a heads up. It's not that it has to get rejected. I just don't want you to be surprised if it does. We are testing previous resistance levels, which means it has the possibility, if we break below, there's some decent downside to come back down to those low $400 levels for QQQ. Remember, if the NASDAQ market sells off, NASDAQ is made up of really big tech companies. And the one that really sold off a lot today was Apple. Apple, because of their recent news, has been selling off due to offering a small discount on iPhones overseas in China. This is something that just didn't mix well with the overall market, and we saw a little bit more selling pressure. And guess what? Apple gave its, what do you want to call it, placement of the most valuable company that's publicly traded. It sits at $2.84 trillion, when Microsoft, let me go ahead and pull it up, sits at $2.9 trillion. Now, Microsoft, if I'm not mistaken, is the most valuable company that's publicly traded. But for how long, right? I wouldn't mind being second place sitting at a $1.84 trillion market cap. I do want to make you aware that tomorrow there are retail sales, which is an economic report that is going to be released 1 hour before the market opens. If you're part of my LPP team, I'm going to make sure that I post the results of those retail sales and the export prices once they are released, and I'll post them under our trade idea section. I'm going to keep today's video super short and sweet. There wasn't just much activity today. I hope that changed for the later days. Let's stay patient. Let's stay calculated. And let's not be afraid to stay cash if the opportunity doesn't end up presenting itself. I hope to see you for tomorrow's live trading session if you want to tune on in. Again, you get to see it live, my good trades, my bad trades, my thought process behind every trade I take. Second link in the description down below if you want to join with the biggest discount, which is 50% off. Also, do not forget, we are running our Tesla giveaway, which right now is offering 20x entries, meaning every dollar you spend equals automatically 20 automatic entries. It's the final week. So after today, January 16th, there's going to be 4 days left. So in 4 days is what you have to enter our Tesla giveaway, and you can literally buy anything from shoptechbuds.com, from the Go F Yourself Elon Musk tee, Cybertruck mouse pads, mystery boxes. Literally, the list goes on. We have day trader mouse pads, Wall Street apparel, LA, Tokyo, Phoenix. We have trading mouse pads, wall art, literally anything. Every order gets you entered. It's $1 spent equals 20 automatic entries. It's never going to get better than this. This is our max multiplier, which is 20x entries. And if you want to check it out, it's the fourth link in the description down below, or you can head on over to shoptechbuds.com for your chance to enter to win. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned your thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow for our live trading session. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.